guys, what's up? Me, Mechanic Man 97. I'm gonna do an updated toolbox tour. You might notice some different changes. 23 drawer, snap-on, triple bay, black. I like the black with the chrome trim with the stainless steel top. I'm gonna go through each drawer. This is gonna soon be my mega junk drawer. So that's the top drawer, and then we'll work from our left to right. This is also like another small junk drawer. It's got a couple rulers and everything. So, still more junk. I don't know why, but there's more junk. Another junk drawer, which is not really junk, but it's still junk to me. Any way I look at it, it's junk. Alright, now we got the electrical drawer. Power probe in the back. Our new digital multimeter. Same old. This is, I want to say it's another junk drawer, but there's my pot rivet, brake tools. This thing is like for them gallon containers that like have like the hydraulic fluid in them. You pick it up and all that stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but I tried. Down here is like all my really it's just probably another junk drawer, but brake fluid, PB blaster, jump start, paper towels, map gas, charger. This is a seal driver. That's a custom made seal driver with green electrical tape for putting seals in. And then OBD2, more junk, turtle wax. This is the wrench drawer, Snap-on, Husky, Taiwan, Mac, gear wrench, Craftsman, some wrenches that I don't need, ratcheting box wrench, and then stubby wrenches, flare nut wrenches, half moon. So that's the standard drawer. Metric drawer, there isn't a lot, but sooner or later in life there'll be a lot. Gear wrench, Snap-on, Craftsman, Snap-on, Husky. That's in that drawer. Next drawer is basically all my pliers and everything. You know, if you saw the last video, you pretty know what's inside. Air tools, airline disconnect, a square, I guess, I don't know. Wizard wheels, air hammer tools, 1/2-inch snap-on gun in there. Metrics on the left, standards on the right, miscellaneous sockets, gloves, 1/2-inch, yeah, it's a 1/2-inch, what the hell's it called? Torque wrench, yeah. Sorry, I had a moment there, a senior moment. This is basically the rethreading drawer, Snap-on tap and die, 48-piece rethreading, 25-piece extractor set. This only has the spline set. This is with the drill bits and everything. So that's that drawer. This drawer's got some cases in it, but it's got more stuff. Coolant pressure testers, truck adapters, handle, hole saw, soldering gun, Milwaukee. What else? Compression adapters, AC stuff, brake flare and crap. Over here is the paper drawer. Got all my markers and anything. You always gotta have a menu, regardless where you are. You gotta have one. Next one's all my ratchets and extensions and all that. Missing two, but my dad probably has them. And Snap-on, Craftsman, Husky, Craftsman. Yeah. So you get the point. Screwdrivers. This drawer is not gonna stay like this. I ordered 8-piece screwdriver set from Snap-on, so all these will go bye-bye. So, just letting you know on that. Lady's foot, bigger lady's foot, Snap-on pry bars. Hook and pick set, magnetic picker upper tools, punching chisels, roll punch, punches, alignment punch, and a chisel. This is Milwaukee stuff, radio, impact, 3/8 drill, 1/2-inch drill. Irwin drill bits are better than these crappy DeWalt bits. I don't know who would buy them, but I don't know, I guess someone that doesn't really have drill bits. They're in desperate need. What's the next one? Zip ties, hammers. The hammer drawer is gonna change. We'll get more, but you know, funds are low. So that's that. This one is the oil filter wrench drawer. Got the filter pliers. They're okay. More that crap. And then down here is just basically T-handle, ballpoint, and hex key wrench set, standard and metric, rags, whatever I'm going to put there. And really that's it. So that's the tour of my 23 drawer Snap-on toolbox. Hope you liked it. Hit like and comment, and see you next time.